Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today Ashimary hair is featuring this video and we're gonna do an install. Once you see this color box, you know the company, okay? Now we are gonna go inside and see. I know I look crazy, but after this install, we're gonna look so good. So in the bag we have another box, obviously with the wig, and you open like so. I'm super excited because this is a 13x4 lace and it's a 99J deep wave hair in 26 inches. How cool. Now I got goodies, lots of goodies. Ooh. In the box we have a robe and I do have a bonnet as well. And let's see what's in this. Is this some Halloween treats? Yes, it is. We got some tapes. We have a Halloween clip for the hair just in case. Okay. And another Halloween clip right there. Now, in this bag, again, you know, we're going to get stuff to install the wig. And we have a booklet. They always send a booklet, so if you're new you can know how to treat your hair. And we also have wig cap that they have their names on, like top tier, okay, HD. We got some lashes from the company as well, their brand. We got some hairpins, oh, gold and black, from the company as well. Okay, we got a edge brush, we got some makeup puffs and a edge band. So this is all that comes with it. And of course the wig that I'm super excited. Like, it is fall and I really wanted to wear a color wig like this. I'm like, why is everybody sending black wigs? What about the burgundy wigs that's wearing? Okay, and we finally received one, so thanks to Ashimary here for that. This one is 99J and it's a curly wig. Oh, it's long, so it's 13x6. The wig is secure, of course. 13x6, and I'm excited because, no, 13x4, sorry, not 13x6, and it is in 26 inches. We have enough lace to work with. I'm definitely gonna add makeup to the lace, but this is how it looks. It also have a edge band, and we have a comb. I like a comb in the back of my wigs. They do provide that. And there's combs on each side. There's one. And then we have another comb right here. I thought this was... Anyway, guys, that is it. We're going to go finesse this wig and then we're going to install it. This is how it looks. The color is beautiful. Like, look at that. Look at that. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I put the cap on. We're about to see how this wig fits. It's a 13x4, like I said.
Cowboy Carter, time to strike a match and light up this juke joint. Well, she got that water, King Man got that water. Don't act like you don't know. Giddy up, don't pay me in gold. Giddy up, back outside, I'm on the road. Giddy up, when the sun goes down. Lay up, can hear her body howl. I feel her eyeing me like clouds. Hide your man when a hangman coming down. She's a tyrant. Every time I ride it, make it look so good. Try to justify it. Boy, you know they looking for me. How we gonna hide it? Riding like I drive it. I am such a tyrant. Every time I ride it.
Alright, guys, it is all laid down. The wig is a bit small, but that's fixable. I am going to finesse the hairline now so you guys can keep watching. Really easy, really simple. I'm still gonna spray some of the lace spray because I cut the lace. So let's do that.
Don't put me in gold. Giddy up, back outside, I'm on the road. Giddy up, when the sun damn it if I don't. Hit it with a whip, won't, what you wanna want. Okay. Tight, every time I ride it, every time I ride it, make it look so good. I was just the finest. Boy, I know they're looking for me. How we gonna hide it? Riding like a
So we're done, and I am thinking I was gonna curl the sides, but I just put on some gel. So I'm wondering if I should do a center part, or I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm yet to put a part in this wig. For some reason I feel like a updo would look so cute, but I love it. It's beautiful. And this is how the curls look. I could even freelance. Yeah. What do you
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you don't know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate. I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rave, you wanna go out on dates, you want somebody to come bring you flowers, someone to talk to for hours, wash your back while y'all sit in the shower, someone to tell you you're beautiful, someone to tell you and mean it, someone to tell you I love you every day and don't got a reason. Want someone to bring you peace, someone to help you sleep, someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely, somebody who can make it better, somebody who can open up those gates.
Alright guys, we have a band on. Now I decided to go with a side part. We are gonna spray this wig down. I love it because I bring this side all around here and it fits perfect behind my ear. So we're gonna go in right now, finesse this wig, and I'm gonna spray it down, add some mousse, and let's just get into that.
Tired of the hurt, tired of the pain, tired of the nights where you can't get no sleep. I see you tired thinking about it, you cheat. See you tired thinking about it, you're leaving. See you tired of being so tired. You damn sure ain't getting even. Somebody can make it better. Somebody can open all those gates. Open up those gates to your heart. Only it's your life. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd and you know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up.
Alright guys, most of the hair is dry. I think maybe at the ends, but we're gonna let the rest self dry. I'm about to do my makeup and I'll be back. So far, I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely love it. The color is beautiful. I am gonna do my makeup and then I will come back, okay? As my makeup is done. Let's see how this wig looks. We're gonna take off the band. Okay, it's still a little bit damp, but it's perfect enough to show you guys the final result. I love it. I love that I could put this part behind my ears, and you know, I did the baby ear on the tops, but that's perfectly fine. So this is how it looks. It is 26 inches, so it is pretty long, but it's matching the fall vibe. So if you guys want to get this wig, or you guys just want to check out Ashimary website, please check the description down below. The link to this direct wig will be there, and also you guys will have their website where you could check it out, and there's also a code for you to use. So make sure you guys check the link. This is how long it is. Look at that. Yes, yes. 26 inches, baby. It is 99J. I say burgundy. That's the fall vibe. That's the color we're going for. It's 13 by 4, okay? It is perfect. It is snug to my head. I can tell you that. Now, let's show you guys. You see this? Can you guys see? Yeah. It's all around. So, I love that about this wig. I use the comb to snatch it under. So it is perfect, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you again to Ashimary here for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys. Let's get to the cute part. Ready? Because I'm ready. Are you ready? Come on.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off, somehow she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing mix, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They know I'm a beast, I wait the giants up again. Shining once again. Ran it up, I told her mama, shot her my DMs. Done right back.